I had a 96 T-Bird with the Easy Rods conversion kit on it. A gentleman from Kaufman, Texas messaged me wanting to trade a DeLorean, and it has the spare tire on it still, the factory spare tire.
Yeah, the sun hasn't been too nice to it, has it? Anything we can hook to?
I don't know.
Gosh, that thing's low. So I'll check and make sure it's in neutral. We're about to lose our tire over here. Rubber band.
Yeah.
That thing is literally dragging across the ground back here.
Imagine doing it if you had to have ramps.
Yeah. Something dragging?
It's that tire has got into that a little bit right there.
Keep coming?
I think so. I'll keep an eye on it, but.
Crazy. I mean, it literally is just dragging there.
Yeah, it's just hanging on that. I wish that rubber would come off that one. Let me hold it like that and let you
Slowly do it.
slowly pull up. We'll get it past that point.
Good?
Okay. Yeah, we're going good. Oh. Okay, try it again. Just a sec.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think that's good.
Alrighty.
All my life growing up, I wanted to have a DeLorean. Did I ever think that I would actually own one? Probably not, but that never stopped me from dreaming. Now with this one, I'd say it's right up our alley. It's not perfect, it needs some work, and it's just been setting up for years. Now first things first, we're gonna have to address these old wheels and tires that apparently left this car parked for over 20 years in the first place. Now with the engine, we really have no idea of what it's gonna take to get this old abandoned DeLorean up and running again. And as far as the paint goes, it's really still a mystery of why this thing was ever painted red. So be sure that you guys follow along on this full rescue and recovery in hopes to see this forgotten beauty alive and back on the road again.